we're giving away our Bitcoin trading secrets. And it's 100% free. Have you ever wondered how professional traders make consistent profits in the Bitcoin market? Are you tired of guessing, losing trades, and not knowing when to buy or sell? What if we told you that we're now sharing our most powerful Bitcoin trading secrets absolutely free? Yes, you read that right. No hidden charges, no complicated signups. Just real strategies that actually work, shared directly with you. Why are we doing this? Simple. We believe in empowering everyday people. Crypto shouldn't just be for big investors or tech experts. Everyone deserves a fair shot at financial freedom. By giving away our trading strategies, we're helping new and struggling traders get the edge they need in the market. We've spent years testing, tweaking, and refining these methods in real-time markets. These are not generic tips you'll find on YouTube or random blogs. These are the exact strategies we use every day to make smart, profitable trades. What you'll learn. White heavy checkmark: how to spot high probability entry points. White heavy checkmark: proven risk management techniques. White heavy checkmark: real chart patterns and indicators we use. White heavy checkmark: how to protect your capital and grow steadily. White heavy checkmark: insider tips that many traders don't talk about. Who is this for? Beginners who want to get started the right way. Traders who keep losing and don't know why. Anyone interested in Bitcoin but afraid of losing money. Even seasoned traders looking for new insights. No catch. No gimmicks. This is not a scam or a trap. We're not asking for your credit card or trying to sell you an expensive course. We're simply offering real value to help build a stronger community of smart Bitcoin traders. How do you get it? Just click the link below or sign up with your email. You'll receive instant access to our free trading guide, plus bonus content we normally reserve for our premium members.